Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best touchscreen monitor for beginners available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the HGFRTEE 16-inch touch portable monitor. The HGFRTEE monitor's 16:10 aspect ratio offers more vertical space than the typical 16:9 screens, which is surprisingly helpful. It's great for reading documents, coding, and multitasking without having to constantly scroll. Plus, the screen resolution is crisp and clear, perfect for detailed work or watching videos. Its ultra-slim profile feels sleek and modern, with a minimalist build that's surprisingly lightweight. I love that I can slide it right into my laptop bag without feeling bogged down, making it a perfect companion for working on the go. Whether I'm at a cafe, on a plane, or setting up a makeshift workspace at home, this monitor fits right in without taking up much room. One of the standout features is the built-in holder stand. It's stable and makes setting up a breeze, whether I'm using Type-C or HDMI to connect it to my laptop. I no longer have to search for items to prop it up. This kind of thoughtfulness in design goes a long way, especially when I'm constantly moving between different workspaces. With a brightness level of 350 UMax, the monitor works well indoors and holds up decently under brighter lighting. It's not the best for outdoor use in direct sunlight, but for most indoor scenarios, I found it more than sufficient. Even in rooms with direct sunlight filtering in, the visuals remain clear and crisp. At number 2 is the UPERFECT 18 UMax 18.5-inch computer monitor. Portability is where this monitor truly shines. At just 1.58 kilograms and a thickness of 7 millimeters, it's far lighter and slimmer than typical desktop monitors. Sliding it into my backpack was seamless, and it didn't add much weight, making it perfect for my daily commutes and travel. The integrated design not only made it visually appealing, but also added to its ease of use. The lack of external parts to assemble or carry around added to the convenience. I found it super simple to pull out and set up on any desk without needing extra pieces, just the monitor, a cable, and I was ready to go. One of my favorite features is the monitor's range of connectivity options. Most portable monitors I've tried don't offer much beyond HDMI, but the UPERFECT UMax has both Type-C and mini HDMI interfaces. These ports made it incredibly easy to connect to my laptop, phone, and even my Nintendo Switch and PS5 without needing additional adapters. It also worked smoothly with my DSLR camera for quick on-the-go photo previews. The 1080p display on the UPERFECT UMax is stunning, offering 100% sRGB and a depth of 16.7 million colors. Watching videos and viewing photos on this screen brought out lifelike colors and contrast. It's certainly one of the more vibrant monitors in its class, and I found myself repeatedly impressed with the color accuracy. At number 3 on our list is the HOWENS 15.6-inch 4K FHD Portable Monitor. The HOWENS 15.6-inch monitor is remarkably lightweight and compact, making it easy to slip into a laptop bag without much bulk. Its sleek black frame and matte screen give it a professional look that's surprisingly durable for frequent use on the go. I appreciated the matte finish. It effectively reduces glare and reflections, especially when working near windows or under bright lights, making it practical for both indoor and outdoor use. Once I powered up the monitor, I was greeted with a sharp, vibrant 1080p IPS display. The colors are vivid, and with an impressive 178 degrees horizontal viewing angle, the visuals held up even when viewed from the side. The IPS panel offers rich color reproduction, making it perfect for content creators, photographers, or anyone who values image quality. The HOWENS monitor shines in terms of connectivity. Equipped with a Type-C interface, it connects seamlessly with laptops, gaming consoles, and even my smartphone. I had no trouble plugging in and instantly getting started with a variety of devices, making it a hassle-free experience. Moving up at number 4 is the VCHANCE 13.3-inch OLED portable monitor. The OLED panel is the star of this display, offering stunning image quality that rivals full-size monitors. The combination of OLED with OLED backlighting delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors, an effect that's hard to achieve with other portable monitors in this price range. Watching videos or editing images feels immersive and precise, especially with the 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy. The HDMI-compatible port and USB port make connecting this monitor a breeze. I've used it with my laptop, tablet, and even my phone, all without issues. The ease of connection means I can switch devices quickly without a complicated setup process, making it ideal for dynamic work environments where I may need to switch between devices. The built-in speakers are convenient, although they don't replace a dedicated sound system. For basic video calls, watching YouTube, or casual media use, the sound quality is adequate. However, I found that using headphones or an external speaker enhances the experience when I need better audio fidelity, especially in louder settings. At number 5 is the VisualBeat 13.3 Portable Touchscreen Monitor. The Full HD 1080p resolution on a 13.3-inch screen looks crisp, and the HDR support adds a noticeable pop to colors when I'm working with visual content. Whether I'm editing images or watching Netflix on a break, the colors are vibrant and look accurate from nearly every angle, thanks to the 178-degree IPS panel. Since I frequently use Photoshop and Illustrator, having this display as an extended screen has been invaluable. The 1080p resolution paired with HDR delivers sharp, vibrant visuals, and I appreciate how my edits look clear and true to color. If you're a content creator who needs a portable screen for on-the-go color grading, this is a big plus. One of the main selling points of the VisualBeat is its dual connection support with USB Type-C and HDMI, allowing me to hook it up to everything from my laptop to my Nintendo Switch. The setup is plug-and-play for most devices. Simply connect the Type-C or HDMI and it's ready to go. However, touch functionality is where compatibility gets tricky. On my Windows laptop, touch works perfectly. I can tap, scroll, and even sketch with ease. Unfortunately, touch isn't compatible with Mac OS, which was disappointing when I tried it with my MacBook Pro. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.